Pag nagwawala ka, that's one of the most ineffective ways of expressing it. Expressing emotion. Nobody will understand you. No? Kung sumisigaw ka, taas ang boses mo. So what people will do is they will disengage. No? They will get defensive. So a leader has to be able to demonstrate composure when they are upset or they're angry. No? So pwede kong sabihin kay, ano name mo sir? Yan. Si Ronnie, na hindi ko nagustuhan yung ginawa niya without embarrassing Ronnie, no? So, pwedeng sabihin ko, Ronnie, usap nga tayo kasi yung sabi ko na gawin mo, hindi mo ginawa. And I'm frustrated about that. In a way, na kami lang nakakarinig, hindi ko pinagsisigawan na napapahiya si Ronnie sa ibang tao. So, yun yung ibig sabihin nito. Kung ikaw yung klase ng tao na namamahiya, so problema mo to, no?